Morning, guys, and we're gonna start today's lesson very shortly. Um, yeah, before that, hopefully you've been following the 2A, 2B, and today we're gonna keep doing the chapter 1 with function and the relations, which is type of functions and implement domain. So, from year 11, the basic knowledge from year 11, which is we know we had learned the one-to-one, many-to-one functions and also the implicit domain. So just a quick recap first. Horizontal line test, which is you draw the horizontal line in the Cartesian plane, and then if that cross the only one x for the one y, and that means one-to-one. Let's have a look at this kind of things. Which following function are one-to-one? So first one, we can say 2, -3, 4, 7, 6, 6, 8, 10, that all is related to the 1x to relate to the 1y. So which is the A is a 1-to-1 function. And B, which is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4. So we can say we have two different y's. Sorry, we have the same y's but a different x. So which is 1, 3 is a difference. So we can say it's not 1-to-1. And in D, so we have to draw some graph then. So question D, as the graph, we can say this is a graph which is we're gonna do is the polynomial cubic function. So you're gonna cross the line from original function like that. Yep. And then there's a line across the 0, 0, and then basically you do the horizontal line and you can say they only cross one point, so which is a 1-to-1 function. And for question E, so if we draw the graph again, so we could do from 9 minus x squared. So if you know this one, actually, this is a semicircle above the x-axis. And then that's a -3 to 3. So if I cross the horizontal line test, there's a 2 point, which is not 1-to-1 function. There you go. So the function that is if you are not 1-to-1 and it's many-to-one, so pretty much. And yeah, and for example 2, there's the implicit domain function with following rules. The first one, let's try to have a look at the first one. We know the implicit domain, and which is actually the one to ask you about the domain is. For this question, we could write as function fx is defined when 2x minus 3 are not equal to 0. So that's the implicit domain. Actually, it's a real number, but not including 3 and 2. Yeah, and then the question B, so for gx, is defined when have to be greater than or equal to 0, so which is 5 minus x have to be less than or equal to 0. So which means Oh, sorry. That means 5 minus x is greater than equal to 0. So x less than equal to 5. And also we could write that will be negative infinity to 5. That is your implicit domain. Yeah, that's it. So practice some questions in 1C, and we will discuss next chapter very soon.